Charlie from Atlantic Stabilizers. We're an elite dealer for Seakeeper. All we do is Seakeeper and Seakeeper Ride. Two products that we have here today is obviously a traditional Seakeeper gyro. That's something that's an option on a lot of the Steigers here. Zero speed, keeps the boat from rocking side to side. Great for fishing. The newest product that Seakeeper has out is the Seakeeper Ride System. Seakeeper Ride System is underway stabilization. It'll take up to 70% of pitch and roll out of the boat while running. So when you have a boat that's very bow light, likes to pop around, you get people that move in the boat goes side to side, you're constantly adjusting trim tabs. This system is fully automatic, will change the way the boat runs for you. So like we said, the system is fully automatic. What happens is it will do 1,000 calculations per second, up to 100 corrections per second, and the speed of the unit will go from 0 to full deployment in less than 1/10 of a second. That speed is what gets the system its strength, keeps the boat level, keeps it from bouncing around. Fully automatic, system will power on with the boat, you don't have to touch anything.
So, just to go over what Charlie was saying, this is my old Maritime Skiff with a Seakeeper Ride System that was installed in it after I sold the boat. And as you can see, we are here in Jamaica Bay with a slight little swell wave, whatever you want to call it. And this boat is not moving. It is totally going over these waves perfectly, staying still. Unfortunately, that's me messing with the camera. But you can see that this boat is just basically holding its ground and going. And the ride is incredible. Even just as much as the takeoff when you're going. It just shoots right on plane, and that is it. And here we are in the ocean, basically in between Deb's Inlet and Rockaway Inlet. Again, you could just see the ride, how it stabilizes this boat. I mean, it's something I couldn't believe how well it worked till I actually experienced it. Highly recommended, and the ride is just incredible. And you could see real quick as we're just going for a little cruise. Also, we were doing it about approximately 25 miles an hour on this trip back to the inlet.
When the big box is empty and my coffee's gone cold, tide's rolling out and the sun's sinking low. Where's the wife and the children? How the heck would I know?